Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Sanur area during the pandemic corona on October 2021. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, you see left side, there is Musimo, this best restaurant in Sanur area. It means like this restaurant always busy, lots of people going down there to do some breakfast or lunch. Okay, now we will explore Sanur area. As we know together, the tourism domestic is already open since 17th of September. And now Bali getting better. I mean like there's a lot of tourists, local domestic, they come to Bali to make vacation. You see? On the street there is some car and motorbike drive around in this area. It's very beautiful, isn't it? You see around here, it's all look like very green. It's very beautiful. And there's right side, there's the big hotels. It looks so beautiful. You see how green this area. And usually before the pandemic corona, in this area there's a lot taxi parking in this area to be waiting for the customer. But yeah, during the pandemic corona, it's getting quiet. But actually I gotta say in this month is much better than last month, because last month was very quiet in this area. But in October, I see some more people drive around by car or motorbike. You see left side? There is just taxi parking. That is good. I'm really happy to see that actually. Okay guys, if you see the weather today, it's very beautiful. It's very clear up there. I mean it's very blue sky. And this area also there is a lot of car and motorbike parking. That's good. It's mean like a lot of activity around here. Maya Hotel, right side, this is the big one. I want to say thank you very much for your support on this channel, because you already subscribed and watching this my video. And if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because I believe because there are more than 1 million people missing Bali. And on this video I will make video around 8 minutes without skip video, because I want to show you the currently situation at the moment in Sanur area. You see, it's look busy, isn't it? Just load the car there and motorbike drive around in this area. But if you see on the sidewalk, it's not so many people walk around on the sidewalk. But it's gonna be like better and better for Bali. And our government say the international border will be open on 14th of this month. But if you want to come to Bali, you must follow the rule for international. You have like visa business, work visa, kitas, and everything else. And also you must be quarantined on your hotel for 8 days, and you have to show you already booked in the hotel if you want to come to Bali. And you have to pay by yourself the fee hotel during your quarantine for 8 days in Bali. But it's much better. I mean like before, the tourists must be fly to Jakarta if they want to come to Bali, but now you can fly straight away from your country to Bali. But for reopening on 14th of October, it's not all the country around the world allowed to come to Bali. It's only few country. They can come visiting to Bali. Okay guys, so far you see there is a lot of car and motorbike drive around in this area, and also there's a lot of taxi parking in the side road. It's mean like it's much better than last month. I'm really happy to see that. In this area, actually I gonna say like 50% there is a hotel and 50% is a shop. So that's why before the pandemic corona in this area is always busy with the people walk around on the sidewalk. Sanur is around 30-minute driving from the airport. And the beach Sanur is very famous because you can see the sunrise in the morning there. And also in Sanur beach there is harbor to go to Nusa Penida and Nusa Lembongan. So that's why early in the morning about 7:30 until 10:30 there is a lot of people going to the harbor to go to Nusa Penida and Nusa Lembongan. And in the afternoon they are return back from Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Penida around 3:30 until 5:30. So that's why it's very busy in the morning and the afternoon. Okay guys, if you see in the left side and right side there is some shop is already open today. That was good. Oh, there is some shop open and some restaurant also open. I'm really happy to see that. And on the road there is a lot more bike drive around in this area. Left side there is traditional art market. You see left side? There is a lot of shop is open. That is good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Sanur area on October 2021. And if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.